Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings to you all. My name is Mohamed Jalo from Smart Professional College. Today, our this video is centered on why is it dangerous for you to avoid clicking links that is being sent to you on any of your social media platform, be it WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. What will happen just you clicking a link alone? Yes, how dangerous is it? Let's find out today. We are going to use a website called Grabify. You can actually see it on the screen. You can also go there and search for it. Let's see what if I create a link and I send you that link. You went and click that link. What are you exposing regarding your own digital information online that I will actually collect about you by just you clicking the link? Let's find out. So the first thing I will go to is Grabify. Then I will click on the first link that is Grabify IP logger and USB URL shortener. I'm going to click on that link. And on that link, after I click on the link, I have this Grabify web page. Now I have two options. I can either create an account, I can register one if I don't have anyone before, or I can just log in if I already have an account. So I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. But if you are new to this platform and you want to track what you are doing on this platform, you can actually create your own account with your email. No matter what happens, you can actually track everything you are doing on that platform. But like I said, I already have my email, so I'm going to log in. I'm going to click login. Then when I click login, I'm going to provide my email and my password, which is already there. I'm going to click login. You too, you will also need to provide your email and your password. I'm already inside my account now. So where will I go? I will go and create a new one from scratch so that we can all see it together. I'm going to go to home. On that home, the first thing I will do is what? The first thing I will do is I am going to actually find a link, or I just create a link that I'm going to use in the link. When you click on the link I'm going to send you, when you click on it, which website is it going to take you, or where is that link going to take you? That's the link I'm going to put on my this URL. I already have a video from YouTube that is talking about why is it dangerous for you to actually avoid clicking links. So I'm going to use that video URL as an example. I'm going to copy that link, copy, and I'm going to come back here and paste it inside that URL. Control V, then I'm going to create a URL. I'm going to use this URL. So whoever click on my link, this is the URL. This is going to be the website or the web page. The link you click will take you. Yeah, so I'm going to use that one. And there are so many things I can change here. Yeah, if you look at the link, just by first glance, if somebody know about Grabify, they can easily know it. But I can change my URL. You can see my new URL here. You can see. So what happened? I can go and change that Grabify because, like I said, it looks so normal and obvious. If you know about Grabify, you can easily know. But I can go and change my domains. I can come and click this domain here. First thing I will do is what I will change the domain from Grabify to something. Let's say I might tell you it's an image, so I'm going to use something that looks more of like an image. I'm going to use what imagehub.font as an example. Second, I am also going to change the extension because I don't want to leave it as default. I want to make sure that it will look to you like an image. I am going to click that option, and I'm also going to choose what I'm also going to choose PNG because that's a file type for image. Yes, to make it look more convincing. To make it look more convincing, I can stop at those two, or I can even go more. I can go and choose the path. I can also choose an image because I want to convince you more that this image, this link is just what a legitimate link, not knowing that you clicking that link, there are so many things you are exposing about yourself. Let's find out. So I'm going to choose image here. But these three things, I think they are okay for me personally. I am okay with those three. I think with this, I can easily convince you that this is a link to an image I have attached on this document, or the link I'm sending you is an image. It's a link to an image. Yes, so I'm going to click that close. Then what I will do is what I will make sure I turn on what my email notification so that whenever somebody click my link, they will notify me on my email. I also have a smart logger. It's also very important. I also want to turn it on because if I click on this icon here, they will tell me what it does. I can actually go back there and read everything about it. But I'm not doing that, but you can actually go back there and read about it more. Yes, what does it do? It actually even reveal more information regarding the person when the person click it. Yes, and I can also have a simple note which is only visible to me. You can see it there. This is visible to only you. I can say, I got you. Just as an example, yeah, I got the person, but that's only me. I'm the only one seeing this. The person will not see it. I will be the only person to see this. So whenever I receive my email, I can come back here and check it out. Now our link is done. We have copied everything we need. Now the only thing I need now is to copy this link. After copying this link, I will send it to you guys. Let's say it on your Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Snapchat, on any platform that I want to share it with. Let's say an example, I send this link to somebody and the person click on that link. What the Grabify this thing will do is what it will kind of load the screen here for like 5 seconds, and it will take the person to that website I used earlier. Remember the website I used earlier regarding this thing. So that's where they will take the person. Then from here, now I have collected everything about you. You just clicking a link alone. That's the only thing you do. You only click a link, and that clicking a link alone. Let's see what and what have you exposed. Let's see what have you exposed. So I'm going to go back to my Grabifier on my main website. Right now, you see there is nothing. What do they say? Zero result. But let's refresh the page and see whether we have any results being found recently because somebody just clicked the link. I myself, I click my own link. Let's see if it is recorded. You can see now we have what? We have one result. Yes, and one result, who was that person? Let's find out. You can see the date and the time the person clicked on that link. And I can see what the IP provider, but I will click on more info so that I will see every single detail that they have collected about the individual. First, I will see the date and time of the time the person clicked on the link. I will see the person's IP address, and I will see the country the person is living in, and I will see their screen orientation, which is what landscape primary. I also have their time zone in which they are located. Also, user time. That was the time they were actually using on their computer. The language they have on their computer. Also, are they using what in private incognito mode or private window? If they are also using ad blocker or not, is also there. And what is their screen size? I also see it there. What kind of color scheme are they having? Are they what on dark mode or are they on what on light mode? You can see it there too. Even HDR, does their screen support HDR? Yes or no? I will also see their graphic card, that's their GPU. I will also see the browser in which they click my link. I will see the operating system that they are using on their computer. I will see whether their screen is a soft touch or is a hard touch. I will also see the user agent they're actually working with and the platform in which they're in. And I will see the host name, and I also see the IP address, their ISP, that is the internet service provider for that particular company, which is for me, NetPage. Yeah. So even my IP, even my ISP is actually what is actually being exposed just by me clicking a link. You see how advanced things are just by you clicking a link, an innocent click of a link. Look at what you have exposed regarding yourself. That is why we said you should always be careful of clicking any link sent to you on any platform, either it's on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Let's say an example. If it is me, my friend send me a link, my brother, my sister, my uncle, I will ask them what is the website. I will go to the website myself, but I will not click their links because of this. That's why nowadays I hardly click any link. The only link I will click is a WhatsApp link that should be in a WhatsApp group chat. But any other link you send me, I will not click it. I will go to the company's main website or the company's main website. Yes, let's say if you send me a link to apply for Smart Professional College scholarship, I will ask you what is the school name. If you tell me Smart Professional College, I will go to Smart Professional College website and check it out there. Apply from the main website instead of clicking that link you send me. That link you send me, I will never click it. As long as I'm concerned, clicking a link is something I will not do because I know just by clicking a link, what are you exposing about yourself? Imagine you have exposed all these things about yourself. So we should be very careful of clicking just any link we see on the internet. It's very, very dangerous, and you should do what? Uh, you should be careful of the things you do on the internet because, like I said, imagine if a simple clicking of a link can do all these things. Imagine what a hacker can do with this. This exposes a lot about you, and we should be very, very mindful online. I want to stop here, and this is Momori Kejalo from Smart Professional College, and thank you for staying by. You can subscribe, like, follow, and search more about Smart Professional College. It's an IT institution in the Gambia offering IT courses, and I will see you guys around. Thank you.